Hi, my name is Kaylee Smith, and I'm a second semester freshman studying biology here at UCCS. I originally started up at CSU in Fort Collins the fall of 2018, but I ended up transferring up here in order to cut costs to eventually, hopefully, go to either med school or vet school. I would like to do something with neurobiology or possibly other things. I haven't really explored my options all that well yet, but I'm leaving them open in case I find something that I really love, because I would like to make a difference in the world by helping people or animals. So I have chosen a few pictures here to kind of let you know a little bit more about me, and so I can kind of express like who I am and what I do. So first of all, you can see here on the screen, this is a picture that I took during our vacation last summer. We went up to Alaska for a week, and we went whale watching. That was my graduation present after I graduated high school, and it was absolutely breathtaking. As you can see here, around the middle of the screen here, I don't know if you can see my mouse or not, but you can see we were actually lucky enough to see a pod of orcas, killer whales. They were absolutely amazing and beautiful, and we got to see some of their communication habits, and we got to actually hear them speak to each other underwater. I guess you would say that's. But it was really fascinating, and definitely made a big impact on my life because I thought it was totally amazing. This is a picture of my two frogs. They are totally crazy, and I love them. They're aquatic frogs. They're African dwarf frogs, and so they're completely aquatic. The only, I think, species of completely aquatic frog. And yeah, so they're my little buddies. I take care of them, and I have them up at CSU. And this is the newest member of our family. His name is Rocket. He is about 9 weeks old. He's a Schnauzer mix, and we just got him. So he's starting to settle into our family, and he is just a crazy little ball of joy. So he's pretty great. We all love him a lot. And so, yeah, that's basically not me in a nutshell, but me in, 2 minutes and 45 seconds. But yeah, so that's what that is, and I'm excited for this semester. I really think that this class is going to be beneficial for me, and I'm excited to get started and jump in. So yeah, thank you for watching.